Good morning, Gravel Gang family.
Look at me being a nutritionist.
You guys ready to run?
2.5 miles in.
Holy moly. I don't know how that tent is still. They just hiding from me.
As fast as we can.
Hello Gravel Gang family. This wasn't the video I was hoping to make, but alas, here we are. By now, most of you are probably heard, if you're following closely the Mid-South, the bike race didn't happen, the run happened. Bobby, kept the party alive as long as he could, and we tried to stay around also as long as we could, without really continuing to impact the community as much as possible. Last Friday, winds rolling starting around 11:30 a.m. and they were supposed to die down around 5:30, but they just kept bearing down. It was absolutely unbelievable, in excess of 60 miles per hour, which ended up causing wildfires. Some of the people on the edge of town, I think about 2 miles from where we were camping by the community center, had to be evacuated. So that was really nerve-wracking. I don't think I've ever been that close to a wildfire, but we also got to think about the people some people lost their homes in that county where StillWater is the home of StillWater. If you feel like you're able to give something, please do. If you go on the MidSouth website, they do have a link where you can donate, and that the money will go towards the StillWater Wildfire Relief Fund. Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, share, like, leave me a comment. We will be back next year for Mid-South. This is one of our favorite events, and we want to support this amazing community. It's no doubt many of you, thousands of you, descend on StillWater because it's a special bike event that I feel like everybody should experience at least once. That Oklahoma Red Dirt's quite unique, and I think the friendships and the bike riding and the party, the music, it all ties together what a grassroots gravel event really should be.
Good morning, Gravel Gang family. We got a change this morning. No bikes. No Gravel Gang. Shoes that are a little too white to be saying I'm about to run a 50K. We're at the Mid-South. We're down in StillWater. And we're going to try to get the running legs back.
The running dynamics.
I don't know if I ever feel prepared for a big long run. It's not my first, so in theory I should know what's happening, but it's been a little while, so come along. Enjoy the journey with us. The wild card today, the wind. There's supposed to be gusts of 60 miles an hour, so I have not practiced my arrow running position. I don't know what it looks like.
Find out.
Yeah.
All the runners.
Cattle that are rolling.
It's a whole new world for me.
Here, just be aware that it's supposed to get really, really, really windy, and that can also dehydrate you quicker. Look at me being a nutritionist. Thank you, Scratch. Let's give Scratch a shout out for being our nutrition sponsor, hydration sponsor. Drink before you're thirsty, eat before you're hungry. If it's windy, you could dehydrate quicker. I didn't even write that down in my notes. I just thought of that all over myself. Okay, this is an important one.
Yep.
What distance are you doing?
Everybody's attention.
Okay.
Yep.
This is your eject
You ready to
button.
run?
This is
You ready to
the
run?
Yes.
Jeep Club phone number. We got our Jeeps lined up down here. They're going to be out there supporting you and cheering you on all day. And if you make a phone call, 33478. 984-733. Requested for all bikes to stay completely clear of the 50K and half marathon course.
No cyclists out on course.
I know that it's really, really logistically dumb for me to put all of the routes on the same roads, but you know what? Gosh dang it, they're my favorite roads and they're the sickest ones. So just please stay off for these few hours.
here's the strategy for today. Starting out with 2 minutes run, 1 minute walk. And I'm hoping that lasts the whole way, but I'll adjust as needed. And then every 5 miles I usually walk closer to, do like 5 minutes of walking. We made it to our first stretch of gravel. It feels really good, actually. Luckily, there are quite a few people around me that are doing the run walk, so it all feels like we're trying to one-up each other, but we all know what's happening. And we got our long climb coming up. I believe I'm a little over 2.5 miles in, 2.6 to be exact. So overall, I'm not feeling too bad. Usually the first couple miles never feel good anyway, and if they do, that's a different problem. Good morning.
Good morning.
You must be a VIP with your own film crew.
Oh, no. Absolutely not.
No? We made it to the first aid station. I don't think I need anything, but 4.5 miles in. There's already quite a few people doing the half that are on their way back, so they've more than doubled my distance, but that's okay. We have a big pack of half marathoners coming through. Nice job! I think they're all tired. They're running at a little brisker pace than I am. I don't think run walk is on their race plan. Can you hear the wind? It's here. You can see it if you are looking up there. The dust is blowing. The wind it's there. It's not the most pleasant, but it's not the worst yet. Seen this on the bike ride. Maria usually films somebody going down. Luckily it hasn't been raining. Can you hear me? The wind is so loud. Here and then that way. For some reason, just my right toe is really dirty. I must run weird. The wind is picking up. Pretty soon we're gonna turn west again. I like doing things in sections to mentally break it up. Body status update. Mostly good, mostly good. I just crossed 16 miles. I just went through an aid station, chugged a Coca-Cola, got some chews. I think the Coca-Cola gave me superpowers because at this exact moment I feel good. The gusts, which could be up to 60 miles an hour today. I should probably get going so I finish before it gets real bad. But the gusts, they just swirl around in every direction. So you're running along being pushed and then all of a sudden you're blasted in the face. Can you hear it? That's the wind. It's the wind situation we got going on. The trees are protecting me though. A herd of turtles up ahead. Me too. I'm in the turtle pack. We're just all trying to keep moving forward. My goal is always to at least not destroy myself so much that I can't walk. So that's another reason I do the run walk. If you reach the point where you can't even walk at 20-minute miles, then you're gonna have a really long day. Ooh, there's the wind. Is this the don't let the porta potty blow away team? Yeah. We got 2 down. They're trying to keep that one upright. This has got bananas right here. We got people blowing off. But this is checkpoint mile 20. It just in the last half mile got super gusty. So hopefully we'll get in some trees soon. Alright, bye. Trees are definitely helping with the wind. I should probably start running again soon. I got a few neighbors up ahead. The turtle pack continues.
Are you surviving the wind? I'm trying. How about you? Oh, I'm hanging in there, man. Look at this, guys. This is insane. The wind is absolutely bananas.
Look back there, bro.
Whoa! Look at this, guys. Holy moly, 50-mile-an-hour gusts. They're shutting it down. I don't know how that tent is still up. We might not have to, we might not be able to sign in. I don't know if you can hear me, but the wind is absolutely brutal right now. It's insane. Get down 24 here. Everybody is hiding in here. They're just hiding from the wind. Let's walk around and see what we see. I don't think I've seen this guy before. Blinder. Designed to blind you. Well, the driver, that is. It's nice. Oh, this looks pretty legit. I didn't know this guy has made lights. This is pretty cool. This also looks pretty nice here.
We're in Nebraska. We're doing the 50-mile Mid-South tomorrow. I think we're just going to kind of party pace it. So probably 3-4 hours for the 50 miles. Nothing too strenuous, but we'll get out there and we'll have fun, and we'll probably come back covered looking like orange people.
And Rob's a friend of the channel. You're riding the Storm Chaser?
Yep, single speed.
Single
Storm Chaser.
speed.
Jackie is riding also. Single speed Storm Chaser.
The family of Storm Chasers here.
Yeah.
Single speeders.
We are.
Awesome.
I did not bring my single speed.
Do you have a single speed too?
I also have a Storm Chaser.
Oh man,
Yeah.
so you guys are Storm Chaser crews.
We're the Storm Chaser gang in Lincoln.
So the wind is kind of disrupting the party here, but we're here. We're here cheering on the, hope, I gotta speak into the microphone. We're here cheering on the runners, the finishers. We got people relaxing. One, are you gonna blow away? Yes. Holy cow! This is insane, man. Get it, get it! Go!
We will update as soon and as fast as we can.
Game on! She's a DFL! Yvonne's a DFL!
I just ran an ultra marathon, Mid-South,
How many miles?
31.5. So, I like to do frozen fruit and this stuff, chocolate of course, and then sometimes I put a banana in. Then I take any oat milk, blend, and it's like a chocolate fruit drink, and it's amazing.
Deliciousness,
Yeah.
huh?
Hopefully it
It's
makes me feel better.
I think it'll help you with the recovery.
Right now I do not feel good.
What did you cook us today?
Spaghetti and meat sauce.
You can't go wrong. Look at this.
Homemade bread.
Ooh.
We didn't make that here though.
You didn't make it here? I thought you brought all the ingredients to make the bread.
We did bring it.
Look at this. You got some spaghetti. Spaghettios. Jacob's custom sauce there. And this is the famous homemade bread he was talking about. 17 miles an hour, you say, right? Is your average you're hoping to shoot for?
What did you say? 10? Yeah.
17.
Oh, 17.
Yeah, right. Cassie?
It's always just under 14.
Maybe
If we're
14.1.
gonna have a strong day, it'll be 14.1.
Did you bring the tully? Or is that what it's called, that rope thingy?
No, we didn't bring
Oh.
that.
Actually, we probably did bring
So you can tow me. You can tow me.
Oh,
That'd be good.
you have to wear it.
Yeah.
So then that way you can latch onto anyone.
Oh, that's true. They'd be just, hey, here you go, man. I'm going up the hill.
This goes on the saddle horn, so you like sit on that
Of the leader.
of the leader, and then this hooks over the stem, and kind of lock, catches on the bolts.
Cassie, what did you get for breakfast?
Biscuits and gravy
Are you carbo loading for?
from the ride home.
Yeah,
It's a recovery ride.
that's right. From yesterday.
I don't think you should ever say no to biscuits and gravy.
No, that would be a bad idea. That does look amazing. Yvonne, what are you getting?
What is it? A smoked salmon?
Smoked salmon
Eggs
something.
Benedict?
And I got the kitchen sink on Bobby's recommendation. He said this is his favorite over Easy Eggs. We couldn't make the ride, but we're here picking up the swag. They make good. Cassie, you get all the stuff. So everybody's getting their swag.
I saw that this morning. I was like, holy crap.
You're getting bags, so they got bags. That's a beautiful color there. What's gonna be your next adventure now that this is canceled?
My next adventure is Unbound 200 at the end of May.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Are you ready?
Yes, this is supposed to be my like
The warm up, a little warm up.
So it's all good. When I get back home to Wisconsin, I'll do something
That's right.
similar as I can.
Get some miles in there.
Absolutely.
What are you thinking? Do you have a mindset of time or anything like that for Unbound? Just kind of go until you can go.
I'm a slow rider. I've been working really hard this past year, but I probably will take the full 20.5 hours to get it done.
And what bike are you riding?
I'm riding a Salsa Cutthroat. Yeah, 2.1s.
Hey, that's a nice bike. And I like the Cutthroat because when you get tired, it just wants to go straight.
Absolutely.
So, which Unbound is going to be a long day.
It's going to be. Yeah, that's my most comfortable bike I've ever been on.
Yeah.
I call it my Chariot. Yeah. And I think a lot of people who know who I am know I have my Cutthroat tattooed on my arm right here. Yeah. So,
and guys, if you don't know who this is, this was DFL last year, right?
Yeah, I was DFL at MidSouth.
Riding a lot.
I have, but I've been training an entire year to get better. And my goal was not to DFL this year, but I don't think I will.
I saw someone
but some of my friends have reached out to me joking, saying I'm still DFL.
That's
yeah, because
right.
I was the last person to finish MidSouth last year. So, I still hold the trophy. So we're here. We're gonna stay around and try to support the community, and then we'll probably bounce later on this afternoon. But otherwise, not bad. A little chilly, but the food trucks are here.